And even my dentist hates when I'm lost. Pull up to the club in a pinto like it's a Porsche. Garbage bag for one of the windows, spray painted doors with the flames on them. Michigan plates and my name's on them. David Shady's here, come and get him if you games want him. But he ain't stupid, so we're trying to run them games on him. He's immune to Cupid, why you trying to put your claims on him? Cause you ain't do to me what you did to the last man. Now climb it back, try not to kick over the gas can. It's a half a gallon in it, that could be our last chance. We have it is getting home, now can I get that leg dance? She's got a tattoo on me right up on her ass, man. In the streets of Warren, Michigan, we call them tramp stamps. That means she belongs to me. Time to put the damn clamps down and show this hussy who's the man. Now get intense. Now you can do this on your own, but everyone knows that no one likes to be alone. So get on the floor and grab somebody. Ain't nothing but a white trash party. So let's have a little mess, and if anyone asks, it ain't no one but us. Just you don't know, you better act somebody. Cause we're having a white trash party. Pull up the Bacardi from out of my underwear and walk around the party without a care, like a body without a head. Looking like a zombie from Night of the Living Dead. And tomorrow probably still be too high to get out of bed. Till I feel like I've been hit with the sharp part of the hammer. Mixing Hennessy and Fanta with Pepto and my Atlanta. I shoot the gift like I'm hollering die Santa. Missed the tree and hit Rudolph and two innocent bystanders. So quit trying to play the wall like you pardon. Get on the floor when the beat drops and stop stalling. They call me the Stephon Marbury, your rap darling. Cause as soon as they throwing some Lord Kelly, I start balling. Making it rain for the ladies in the minis. But I'm not throwing ones, 5, 10s, or even 20s. I'm throwing quarters, nickels, dimes, pennies, up in skinnies. Man, I do this for them bunnies, up in tennies from the northeast and west. But when it comes to them trailers in them South Parks, muffle it. Cause homie, that hood's tighter than Kenny's. So ladies, if you
Paw.